That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic, that black yo magic. Princess. CJ knows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Glow Princess, and I'm back at it again with another look. For today's look, we'll be using a wig that I received from DSoar This is what their box look like. It's actually my first time working with them, so this would be a first time review, first impression, unboxing / style and apply, basically the whole nine. So let's get into this video. I'll be showing you guys today is their Brazilian loose body wave full lace wig. Is 22 inches. It's 100% virgin human hair, tangle free, no shade. You receive your wig, it will come in this box, and behind the box it actually shows you how to wash and take care of your hair. Inside the box you will find your wig in a plastic bag. Also find a beauty blender, which is different. Most companies don't ever send you beauty blenders, so thank you for the beauty blender. I definitely could use a new one. You will also find a pair of lashes. These are actually not bad. Like if you're the type that like natural looking lashes, then you will love these. I'm extra, so that's not for me. That's pretty much all that comes in the box. So let me take this wig out the bag. So this is the wig. Like I said, this is their loose body wave. It's 22 inch. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with 4 combs, 3 right here, 1 on the bottom, and also adjustable straps right here. This color of the wig is a medium brown. It comes with baby hairs. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. The good thing about a full lace wig is that you could pretty much do whatever you want to it. You could put it up in a bun, in a ponytail, half up, half down, and it looks so nice once you glue it down and like blend it in and stuff like that. But since I don't glue in my wigs, I would try to like finesse and do whatever I do with it. The hair is really soft, so I'm about to go ahead and cut this lace off, apply the wig so we can see what she looks like on, and I'll be back.
CJ knows.
This is what the wig looks like on, and it feels very light. The curls are really soft. I don't want to run my fingers through them too much because I really want to wear it like this because it looks really cute. And this is what the wig looks like right now without me doing anything to it. I'm about to go ahead and style it. I'm just going to do my edges. I'm going to play around with the wig a little bit. Just kind of like feel it and figure out which way I want to wear it and how I want to wear it. I'm probably going to spray some water on the end so it could curl up and look a little neater. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do to this look today. So I will see you guys once the look is complete.
CJ knows.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really love the way that this look turned out. As you guys could see, it looked so pretty. If you just compare how I was looking before to now, like, this is a crazy transformation, but in a good way. These curls are super pretty. All I pretty much did to it was spray some water on it, and besides that, I just did my edges, and that was pretty much it. As you guys could see, it was very easy to achieve this look. If I could do it, you could do it too. And I didn't even have to pluck the wig. Like, I didn't pluck it or anything. I just parted it and blended it to my scalp. No glue, none of that. If you're interested in purchasing this wig and recreating this look, make sure you check out DSoarHair.com. I will leave their link down below and also the link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.